Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to work the classic bind off. This method finishes your knitting with a clean, structured edge while securing your stitches so your work won't unravel. It has a gentle stretch and creates a neat, polished look that holds its shape beautifully. It's a reliable, go-to finish for so many projects. To begin, knit the first 2 stitches. Then, lift the first stitch up and over the second stitch, letting it slip off the needle. Knit 1 more stitch. Again, lift the previous stitch up and over. Continue in the same rhythm all the way across. When you have 1 stitch remaining, cut your yarn and pull it through to secure. And that's the classic bind off, a simple, beautiful way to finish your knitting.